you today is Drown the Whiskey by Jason Aldean. The chords on it are very easy. The strumming is going to take you a little bit of time probably if you're new at guitar. So let's get right into it. So by the way, subscribe if you like this video. And if you want me to teach another song down the road, please tell me in the comments. So the song is in standard tuning and it's got a capo on the first fret, okay? So it starts with a G. So the verse is just going to be G, okay, C, and then A minor. And A minor, going from C to A minor is super easy because you just leave your pointer finger on, and then you put your middle finger on the third fret on the D string, and you put your ring finger on the third fret on the G string, and that's it. Okay, then you're gonna go to D, back to G. All the folks down in Lynchburg, Tennessee, been working hard for good old boys like me. I don't want to be the one to tell them that stuff that they ain't selling ain't working like it should, but I dang sure wish it would. Okay, so the thing is, when you after you go back to G, you're just gonna hit D, just like that. And then you're gonna go into the chorus. Okay, so that was G, C, alright, then A minor, then D, then back to G, and one more time at D. Whiskey's supposed to drown the memory. Okay, so then when you go into the chorus, it starts with a C, and then it goes to G. Okay, so it's whiskey's supposed to drown the memory. Then it goes to G. I've gone from one to one too many. And it goes to D. The thing that really gets me. And then a quick C. That's how your memory drowns whiskey. And then back to G. Okay? So then it just makes it super easy to go right back into the verse because you're already playing that G. Alright? So again, that's C, G, D, C, and then G. Okay? So that's super easy. That's the whole first and second verses and the chorus. And then also I'm going to teach you the bridge right now. It's super easy. So it's A minor and D. That's it. You just go back and forth between those, and you just do it twice. So it's A minor, and there's no words or lyrics during this time. He just strums, and then D. So it's girl, I'm living proof, the 80 proof, ain't got a shot touching you. So you just end it on D, and then you go back to the chorus in C. Whiskey's supposed to drown the memory. I've gone from one too many. And that's it. That's the whole song. So it's a great song. I love it. It's always been one of my favorite Jason Aldean songs, actually. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and hit subscribe so you can see the new videos I come out with. Thanks, guys. See you next time.